Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the vegetable oil in Icarus. So first of all, go to the tech tree and make sure you've got the seed extractor unlocked and crafted. And secondly, inside of tier 2, you want to go ahead and unlock the mortar and pestle and also craft it. Once you do have this, go to the seed extractor first and here place some fibers or any of these materials that you see here to make seeds. I'll use the fibers because they are the easiest to gather, and as you can see, in after 30 seconds it is going to make me one seed. You can use many more these extractors to speed up the process, and once you've gathered 15 seeds of any kind, you want to go to the mortar and pestle, select the vegetable oil recipe, and just go ahead and craft it just like this. And this is pretty much all. How to get the vegetable oil in Icarus. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.